How to drag and drop files on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. Once you're here, navigate to the location of the file you want to move. Now, tap and hold on the file you wish to drag. Continue holding the file and hover it over the Notes application. Once the app is open, find the place where you want to drop the file. As you can see, the file is now successfully embedded in the note. You can use this same method for other apps. Go to the Files app again and tap and hold on the file. This time, drop the file to the Messages application. Select a conversation you want to send the file to. Drag it directly into the text box. The file is now attached to the message and ready to be sent. Following these steps, you can easily drag and drop files on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.